Hopefully it kick on while we on recording. So this probably how I'm gonna have it buttoned up. But I had to go get this angle ASAP. So now I got hella tire clearance. I want you to turn the wheel this way, all the way. Yeah, then back the other way. Ooh, hold on. Hold on. Damn. All right, turn it back the other way. Perfect. That's actually perfect. Just by a smidge. Turn it this way, straight, then turn it back that way. Okay, the fan just kicked on. Yep, that bad boy on. Yes, sirski. Look at that fitment. Okay, you can straighten it up. Perfect. That's exactly how I want it. Perfect. It took me 5 days to get this shit done. I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Yep. She's almost complete. Got a few more things to do to the motor, and she's done. Oh yeah, and the interior. Probably hit y'all with the bad news, kind of good news with the next vid. So the fan is on with the thermostat. So as you can see, fan is on. Yes, sir. So I'm probably gonna link all the stuff I bought in the description if y'all want to get that. I mean, the wire up is easy. If y'all got any questions, if y'all trying to run that same setup, at least the fan, I can tell y'all how I wired it up and everything, and we can go from there. Now we out. Yes, sir. Show you how I got them bundled up under here. Now, I think all Fbodies got this part. I'm not sure though. But right here, this hole already right here, I just made it bigger. And I used the rest of the transmission line that I had left over just to, you know what I'm saying, to block off this right here so it won't be scrubbing and nothing like that. The clearance is like close, but I got hella turn room though. Oh, don't mind this part. I ain't had none of this bundled up yesterday, and I took it down the highway, so this wasn't even holding. So when I was driving, it was just flapping back. But when I turn the wheel, it clears right here when it's bundled up like this. But of course, the cooler is in here. I was gonna leave this out, but I already, hold on. Oh, I already got a hole with the fog like it. Then I feel like that close, it'll just generate a lot of air in there anyway. So yes, sir. Come back under. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, never be too safe. So I got that ran right here. Trying to get a good view. Ran right here. Boom. Of course, zip tied down. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Boom. And this the little thermostat. Now for this part, just for the let me see. Right here, that I put a little rubber on my hot wire, cause that's hot, you know what I'm saying. See, I don't know if it's gonna be moving or anything, but you know, better safe than sorry. And of course on this side, everything buttoned up real good. Now on this end, I might put a power steering cooler on this side, you know what I'm saying, to even everything up. But other than that, it's looking good under here. Yep.
Starving, violent for the come on. Break it off, it's like boom. It's my new CEO.